Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you real quick how to basically buy items on AliExpress without the warning that says you've used one or more discounts before, blah blah blah. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that error again by clicking on Pay Now. When I click on Pay Now, it tries to pay, then it says you've used one or more discounts before. To check, please view any previous orders, blah blah blah. So this error message is actually not accurate. I haven't used one or more discounts before. Basically what it's trying to say is this seller who is selling the product, because I'm getting one, two, three from one seller, this particular seller only gives you one coupon item, right, for any item you buy. But I'm buying three items, so it's basically saying it cannot assign one, two, three discounts to each of these items. The discounts can only apply to one. Now, AliExpress does not automatically assign the discount to you. What it does in your cart is it does this thing where it shows you your coins and that's it, but nothing else. So what do you do in this case where it's popping up this error where it's telling you that you cannot buy you've used one or some discounts before, blah blah blah? Do not go to your shopping cart and remove items from your cart or the other items from your cart thinking that it's going to fix the problem. It's not going to fix it. Some people think that if they delete all the items in their cart, it's going to fix the problem. No, it doesn't fix it. um Also, some people think that if you close all the other tabs you have open, it's going to fix it. Also, no, it doesn't fix it. So I'm going to close this. This is my shopping cart, right? These three items are from the same seller. So I'm going to click on select all, and I'm going to, this is the discounting that is causing this problem, right? It says buy five, get 5% off. Then if you buy, you know, pretty much anyone, it assigns you this. Now I get the coupon. It's trying to apply it to all of this. To cut the long story short, the best thing to do in this case is, first of all, and which is also the solution pretty much, you have to delete one of the items. So I'm going to delete this and try again. I'm going to click on checkout, and then I'm going to click on pay now, and then we'll see what happens. And boom, it's working. So the summary of it is that the seller is not looking to give you a discount when you buy two or more items. For some sellers, they do not give you a discount for buying, three or more items. So the best thing to do again is to remove one of the items from the seller. These are stores, right? These are all stores. And if you have three different items from the same seller, it might not go through. So you have to delete one item. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. I'll see you around. Bye.